Do you think the speaking test is scary? Do you want to improve your speaking skill? Do you want to get a high score in the IELTS speaking test? If all your answers are yes, you're in the right place. Hi everyone, my name is Nicole. In this video, I will talk about 19 IELTS speaking tips to help you improve your speaking band. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Answer in a full sentence even if it's a short one. Don't just give a word or phrase, always give a complete answer. Number 2. Develop your answer. Try to talk as much as you can. Your whole talking time will be around 5 minutes long, and if you don't speak a lot, it will be challenging to get a high band with limited output. For example, do you like weekends? Don't just answer yes or no. Try to extend your answer by providing more details, such as why you like weekends and what you usually do on weekends. Remember, it's a language test. You don't have to be an expert on the topics. Only your language skill will be assessed, but your answer needs to make sense. You don't have to give long answers all the time. Some questions are difficult or similar to the previous question. The short answer is also okay. Number 3, understand how you'll be assessed. Read the speaking criteria is essential. You can only get what you want when you give the examiner what he or she wants. Focus on your fluency and coherence, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. I'll make another video on how to read the IELTS speaking band descriptors if you're interested, so stay tuned. Number 4, prepare as many topics as you can before the test. If you're lucky, you might get the same or similar topics on the test day. Also, check the new topics before the test. Number 5, understand the test format. I've made another video on the topic. Feel free to check it out. It's always best to know what to expect. Number 6, don't just memorize the answer. If you're a complete beginner, it's expected that you will read sample answers and try to remember them, but try not to sound like you're reciting your answer in the test. Number 7, use spoken English. You don't want your speaking sounds like academic writing. For example, you can use a short form such as I don't instead of I do not. Common spoken expressions such as for sure or positive would be recommended. Number 8, be natural. Make it conversational. It may help if you use your body language, facial expressions, tones, and intonations when speaking. Number 9, start talking in 2 to 3 seconds. Try to be very responsive. If you don't understand the question, ask the examiner to repeat or explain it politely and skillfully. If you take too long, it will affect your fluency and coherence. But if you don't know how to answer the questions, just be honest. You can also use some fillers, such as to buy you some time to think. Number 10, move on if you have made a mistake. A mistake is a mistake, even you self-correct it. You can correct yourself, but not too many times, as self-correction will also affect your performance and score. Number 11, only use the vocabulary that you know. Words mean something. If you don't know the word, try not to use it because it's highly likely that you will use it wrong. Play safe. Number 12, use your imagination. If you don't have experience with the topic, you can make up a story. You're not facing a visa officer and you don't have to tell the truth. What you want to do is to show off your language skill. Number 13, stay on topic. Listen carefully and understand the question. You don't get the point if you're off topic. It doesn't matter how long you have talked or how many words that you have used. Number 14, use synonyms to express your ideas. It's boring to repeat yourself and it would not show your vocabulary range. Number 15, answer the question. Make sure you understand the question and answer the question directly first, and then develop your answer. Sometimes test takers tend to give a detailed explanation, but they're not on topic. Number 16, be fluent. If you're not fluent, you wouldn't be able to use a wide range of vocabulary and sentence structures in the time frame. Without many words or sentences, it's hard to impress the examiner with your pronunciation as well. Number 17, smile and make eye contact. Show the examiner that you're willing to talk. Number 18, be consistent. Try to practice speaking at least 5 to 15 minutes every day instead of just practicing for 5 hours once a week. Consistency is the key. Number 19, find a speaking partner. Speaking is two-way communication. It's fun and useful if you can find a speaking partner at a similar English level. I hope these tips will be helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and hit the like button. I'll see you next time.